Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making this adorable hanger for baby headbands. First off, what you need is a dollar store picture frame. I got one that looks like this, it's gold, and I already took out the backing and all of the holding things. And then you need some tulle, which I got from Walmart, and I've had on hand for a while. Then I also found this cute hanging sign. It's Main Street Wall Decor hooks. I found it at the Dollar Tree. And then you'll also need some scissors and hot glue. And then also some rubber bands. I got this pack from the Dollar Tree. There was 750 in a pack. So first off, what I do with the tool, I take two pieces about the width, a little bit longer than the width of the picture frame. I start by taking one piece and twisting the end, like so, and then I take the other piece and I twist the end in the same direction. That's important, make sure you twist them in the same direction. And then I will fasten them with a rubber band. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, and then what you do here, after they're fastened with the rubber band, so there's two pieces, and you continue to wrap them in the same direction, twist them in the same direction as at the beginning, and then you wrap them over each other in the opposite direction, if that makes sense. So twist each piece in the same direction and wrap them over each other in the opposite direction, just as you would if you were making a twist braid in your hair or making a rope. So that's essentially what we're doing here, is making a tulle rope. Okay, so I used a piece of paper just to help me line up where I wanted the glue to go. Put down a dot of glue on either side of the frame. Then I place the rope on top of that. And then I put some more glue over the top just to reinforce it and help it stay in place better. And I use a low temp glue gun, just FYI. It works for me. I don't get burned as often as I do with the high temp. Here's what it looks like with all three ropes attached. And then I'm going to add a hanger for it. And I decided, instead of doing a rope for the hanger, I just wanted that fluffy tulle look for the hanger. So this is what I am doing. I'm just going to attach it to either side. So before I do that, I decided to tie a knot in the middle to help it stay close together in the middle so it's easier to hang up. And I just found the center, tied a knot, and made sure it was right in the middle, which after I glued it on, it ended up not being perfectly in the middle, but there's the knot. It did help to make it easier to hang. So I'm just going to glue it down. So what I did, I just put some glue on the frame, and then I laid the fabric down and pushed it down to make sure it was really on there. And then just put some more glue right on top of that. And then I just did the same thing on both sides. So now I just need to attach the love sign. Figure out how I want to do that. So here I am just trying to figure out where I want it to go. I did like it on the bottom, like attached on the bottom of the frame. This place, having it, I would have to make sure it's even, parallel to the frame. did like it here, but then it covers that bottom rope, which I didn't want to do. So I looked at the top of the frame, I liked that, but then it would be impossible to attach anything to that top rope. So I did end up going with the idea of just hanging it from the bottom of the frame. I could either attach with some more rope or just use the regular tool like I do at the top. And I think I decided to do that because it made it even on the top and bottom, just kind of give it some symmetry. So I just took a piece of tulle, loop it through the top of the L, and then just tied it around the frame. Really easy. I did do a double knot to help it stay in place better. So now I just need to attach it at the E. So voila, here's that. So I like how it's the same, the top and the bottom. I just want to add a bow to it. So I'm going to make a bow, just a simple bow out of the tulle. And this is parallel, so that worked out good. And I'm actually going to glue the back of it to help it stay in place. So I'll flip this around and just glue it down with some hot glue. So here's how I did that. I just put 2 lines of glue under and over the material on both sides. Here's a little bow that I made out of tulle. Simple, very cute. I was just trying to figure out where I want to attach it, to the top of the frame, or I was thinking the top of the hanger. But I decided I like it at the top of the frame, so I will just go ahead and put some hot glue on the back of it and put it on the frame. So here's the finished product. It turned out just perfect, just exactly what I wanted. I love the bow and I was going to use a ribbon, but I actually forgot to buy some at the store. So the tulle turned out great. It was the same color as the love sign, so it just worked out perfectly. Here it is with some bows on it. And they hang really easy. I just used some clothespins on the rope and then just hang it on the little knobs on the sign. And then you can clip some clips on the hanger or anywhere else on the sign, and it just turned out to be just perfect. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think. I'm pretty new to YouTube. I don't have hardly any videos out there, but I do sewing tutorials and I'm gonna start doing some crafts, and I do have pet mice that I've done a video for. Haven't done a lot with videoing them for a while, but if you're interested in that, let me know. I would love to get this video to probably 50 to 100 likes. That would be great. And just subscribe to my channel so I know how many people are really interested in what I do. And comment. If you like my video about my mice, let me know about that. If you want to know more about sewing or see more crafts, please let me know. I really enjoyed the one that I did today, and it was so easy. All it was tulle, dollar store picture frame, and a dollar store hanging thing, and some hot glue, and it turned out really cute. I'm really happy with it, and let me know what you guys think. Well, that's it for me now. Hope you have a wonderful day, and get crafty.